love, I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around. I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Okay, that's the first two verses of Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. I want to show you guys how to play just that first bit today. And then I'm going to show you how to play the second and third parts B and C, on a later video. Just a little part A in this video, and a little part A1 too, which I'm calling the section between verse 1 and verse 2, because it's ever so slightly different. All right, that's what you got to do. Have your guitar in standard tuning and put a capo on the 3rd fret. Now, get yourself a C chord, and I'm going to show you the simple pattern here, right? Finger picking. Now, look what I'm doing here. Thumb on the A string, index finger on G, thumb on D, and middle finger on B. Okay, so those fingers on the right hand play those strings. So I'm going to do just those 4 notes. Now, if you're a beginner, this will be a bit of a challenge, but it won't be too difficult. I mean, even, well, not perhaps for a total beginner. It's probably wise to have strummed some simple things on a guitar and just gotten used to how the thing feels before you start any finger picking. But if you're at that stage, but you haven't yet seriously finger picked, this is not going to be too difficult. And if you have finger picked, you should have a lot of fun with it. So look at those 4 notes again. And then we're just going to repeat the first 3. So that's your 7-note pattern that happens in the first bar, and it'll pretty much be 7 notes in every bar in this part. There is our first chord. Next thing you do is keeping the index finger of the left hand where it is in the 1st fret of the B string. We put our middle finger on the 2nd fret of A, pinky on the 3rd fret of B, and we do the same pattern. Okay, that pattern again. Thumb on A, index finger on G, thumb on D, middle finger on B, and then repeat the first 3. You might be wondering why we've got 2 fingers on 1 string here. Why have the index finger down if you're playing the 3rd fret with your pinky? It's because the index finger is going to be in that position for the next chord, so you might as well leave it there. I hope that makes sense. The next chord, by the way, is A minor 7. And we do the same finger pattern again. Then we revert to the middle chord, G/B, and do the same pattern again. So there's part A, and you'll do that for the intro and for the first verse and for the second verse. But for the bit between the first verse and second verse, a little bit different. I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so you do the C chord the same way. G/B the same way. A minor 7 the same way. But then instead of going straight to the G/B again, we do 4 more notes on A minor 7. And then we go to G/B and just do 3 notes. First 3 notes of the bar. Okay, so that's part A and part A1. Now, I hope that is clear to you guys. Just get in touch with me if you have any questions about this and you feel like doing it at home. I'm going to play that again. I'm going to sing it too. I'm going to do a little intro twice through the chords. First verse, then the link between verse 1 and 2, which will be part A1, and then verse 2. Here we go. I took my love, I took it down. I climbed a mountain ground and I turned around. I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hill till the landslide brought me down. Mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Oh man, thanks so much to Fleetwood Mac for writing that beautiful song. Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. So get into it. Get these notes into your fingers, and I'll come back with how to play part B and part C a bit later on. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you can do it. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions at all. And don't forget, I can send you charts with this stuff on it as well. Thanks so much.